Hey, if you want to change password into your account on the Windows 11 PC, all you have to do is just to click on the start in the taskbar, then go to the settings. Next, on the left side, we have to select accounts. Right now, go below and select sign in options. From here, we'll have to select password. So click on this arrow. Now click on the change button. From here, we have to input our current password. So in my case, it's actually from 1 to 8. And when I click on this icon with the left mouse button, I can see my password. And right now I'm sure that it is correct. Next, I can click on this button and I can input new password. Then I have to repeat with the same one. And I can input password hint. I'm gonna put, for example, like this one, and now I know what is going on right here with the hint. Then I have to click next, and as you can see, we successfully change password for this account. So now click finish, and that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.